Bye, musta dia bye. Just came from a shoot earlier, and the thing is, yeah, I was using the A1 and this one here, the 35 1.2. So sa una, ang akong ganahan kay nga lens is kani. Ganahan ko mag-shoot ani using my A9. The problem is, ni update ang Sony na sa 35 1.4, which is the G Master, which is the very, very best lens for Sony because native lens man siya. So I got nagkuha ko sa kanang 35 1.4. I sold my 35 1.2, and usually 50 millimeter mas ago addict, so it's okay to sell it. And what happened was, when I got the 35 G Master, it's good, it's nice, fast focusing and everything else. It's Sony, good colors, but I wasn't happy with the photos. Maybe it's because light siya, di ko ka focus on tarong. So yeah, what happened was that I didn't like it and my light just turned off. I need to update my lighting. I'm gonna get back to you guys one second. So napalong ako suga kanina. Sakto ba kani siya? Hayag naman. Sakto ba ni siya? Pahinayan na ako. Okay. Muna siya. So, yeah, kanina sa ningon. Yeah. Kalimot ko. So, muna akong ginagamit. So, ang gamit sa una is katong adto kong G Master. And I think this G Master lens was good para di ko happy kanang pero na kong shoot murag feeling na ako more siya na kulang, more siya meh. But it's not saying na ang G Master 35 1.4 is not a good lens. It's a very good lens. It's light. It's very good. But I went back to the Sigma. I got another one, which is here. Sigma 35 1.2. It's heavy, but mumatch siya sa body. And yeah, so naglibog ko sa akong self gamay ba why I wanted the heavy lens. I wanted the Sigma, which is not directly from Sony. But either way, it's kanang it's the lens na murag mali pa hayon kung magamit ba. Like whenever I put it in my hand, it's heavy. It's supposed to be not fun, but I love it. So yeah, I went back to that lens and I'm using it most of the times. Sa una kay 50mm akong gamiton per me. And the thing is, 80% 90% of the shots that I make are made from the 50. And yes, like enjoy it. But when I went 35mm, naglisod ko gamay, and then right now I'm happy with this lens. Ang mudugab ko kanila. Yeah. So another thing that we're going to mention is maybe I'm going to put it in a topic here. This camera here, which is my favorite camera, which is the FX3. So Nasle update recently, which is says stability of the camera and also something with the app. Before I updated, kita ko sa online nga na daw boot loop issue. Boot loop issue is that kanang i-turn on mo sa camera, mo on siya, mo loop, mo reboot na sad, mo reboot. So di siya dili ka walay override, walay control alt delete or something. So it keeps on doing that. So the camera is rendered useless. I decided like I'll just try it, whatever. Trying ako sa update, it took me around 29 minutes for the update. So it's like, shit, something's wrong. And then when it finished updating, it had a boot loop, it had problems. So it's really bad. Sony, come on, guys. So what happened was a good thing na, excuse me. Good thing I haven't been booking a lot of videography, and I'm doing a lot of photography lately. So kanisha mainly for video na ako, and that's why, yeah, I won't be able to use it. I have an A7C if I'm going to be shooting video for 10-bit, and also I have the I have the A1 for videos also, which has S-Log3, though it's not the same as this, but it's fine. Ang ISO niya is dual ISO, it's not the same. Yeah, jargon stuff. But anyway, yeah, I really love this camera here, but I have to contact Sony and have it fixed because I just tried it today and it's not working. So Sony should get their act together with the firmware updates. Might as well not send out firmware updates na bugs because we're having problems. This is a cinema line camera and we're what the fuck. Anyway, yeah, so muna siyang update. And also I just came from a shoot. I was shooting a high school formal. It was fun. I really love shooting with my cameras right now. I've narrowed down my favorite lenses at the moment. I'm trying to use more the 35 1.2 o gatong 2470 G Master, which is not really fun with zoom lenses na 2470 or something like that lately. But when I use that lens, malipayon ko. So I'm using it more like with my shoots right now. So yeah, basically that's it. So quick vlog for today. Also, I'll see if I can vlog tomorrow. I'll be shooting a wedding and it's gonna be hectic, but I'll try. Other than that, yeah, enjoy. Also, I'm gonna put out a video here of that legendary photographer nga murag duha ka kamera. Maay kitong photographer. Ako to, kanina. Sige, bye. Take care. Bye.